Hey y'all, it's Professor Hall. I'm in quarantine casual today. I had a birthday party on Zoom, so I thought before I logged off I would dash you off a quick video telling you how much I've appreciated you this semester. And your grade is posted in your grade center, and I will be posting those to the system in 2 days. So if there was a problem, let me know. Want to remind you that your weighted grade to that grade, I added 1 bonus point just for the way you've handled this entire situation that we find ourselves. And that is in addition to any extra bonus points you received. So if you had earned 3 bonus points for turning everything in, I also added 1 extra point. If you lost 3 points because you didn't turn in a few things here and there along the way, you still got that 1 bonus point. I'll tell you why. You know, we started this semester and everybody's rocking and we're rolling and we're going through the thing and we're all in our little zen, and then all of a sudden the world turns upside down. Nobody was prepared for that. And somehow you handled that with such grace and with such charm and professionalism that I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I have a friend who's uh, became a teacher. She didn't want to be, and her student is in school, and she said, I call that teacher every day and I email him every night. And I went, why would you do that? It's a stressful time for everybody. And that gave me even more appreciation for you. And my last thing to say is that I hope that when you look back, when this is over and uh, memories, things sift away and memories stay, I hope this will be one of them. That in the face of a tremendous challenge, you stayed the course. You finished all the work, you turned in everything, you did your best, you acted with integrity and grace, you wrote in your own words, you typed up your own work, and I think that that's a very important thing. So I hope that you will remember that as you move forward. Again, it's been a pleasure. And that concludes our final tutorial. Bye, y'all.